Is Riz here from DS Security Services. So today I just want to show you how to connect the keypad with the mag lock. Right, so this is a power supply. The power supply we have to connect the positive, and for the mag lock we only gonna connect for the negative. So only negative from the mag lock and the positive and negative for the keypad. So by the keypad they will connect the positive, right, and we have to put the bridge from the positive to the comb, right, and this one is output, so normally closed, so we have to put NC connect to the mag lock, right, and also the default code for this one is for 1 2 3 4. See, 1 2 3 4 hash, you can see is unlock. Right, so if you want to change the password, so you have to put the star 1 2 3 4 star, and then you have to put 0 hash, you put again 0 hash. Now you put the new code 4108 hash. See, now is the new code 4108 hash. Let me show you again. 14108 is unlock. Alright, so this is very simple, very easy and quick.